Okay, dudes, got this really weird shit going on with this BMW. Not this one, well, this one as well. This one's not starting at all, but this one, my main daily one, had it for 8 years now. Fucking giving me grief. Basically, all started, it would intermittently not start. Basically, it would be like press a button, click, 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 nothing. Then you would disconnect the battery, leave it for a bit. Then it would start all right. But then about 10 days ago, it just stopped on me in town. I did a service on it and everything. Changed the oil, drove for a bit. Stopped in town and it just wouldn't start. Anyway, got recovered back. Was pretty sure, well, 99% sure my starter was kaput. So got a new starter. Basically, to test it, you grab something, well, that's a bit shit, the broom, but something metal, and once someone cranking it, just give it a smack like here, and it should start whining. So that one, old one, did. It was a pain in the ass. I had to literally cut it out because one of the bolts was stuck. So anyway, change this. So now it's starting. Well, now it's turning over. Nicely. Oh, fuck, all is happening. So, and yeah, so definitely starter's working now. So it was a starter, but now the car does not want to fucking run. Well, the engine start, I mean, doesn't want to start. So first thing you should do is check if fuel is getting to it. Ooh, there's a lot of motherfucking bubbles in there. Probably that is why. But anyway, I've disconnected this and gave it some crank. Sorry, you put the key in, press start, and your pump will start working, and you know it's working because shitload of fuel will come out. Well, it should anyway. So yeah, it did. Now I'm gonna try it with easy start.